Let's have a look at HoverCam Flex software. With this software, after we connect the document camera through USB to our computer, we can have the following options. The first one is video. You can record videos and archive them or share them with somebody, or upload them to repositories, digital repositories on the web. You can scan. Second option on top is basically saving images in different formats. You can use also annotation tools. Connect is not free, but if we use this feature, you can share and collaborate with other users. And archive, so you can archive whatever you have recorded, and you can upload it, as I said before, to Dropbox, or for example images. You can also upload straight to Picasa. So there's the link from this software. So when you click on video, just click on OK. As you can see on top, we've got 2, 3, 4 tabs. So the first one is video. So in the video mode, I will show you how you can use this one for demonstrations. For example, I took a few pictures with my iPhone, and so these are basically the steps. At the moment there is no light on HoverCam, so I'm turning it on. See the difference? So in order to connect the camera, first you just connect it through the USB cable at the back of the base. Then the second step was pull up the camera, extend it, and after extend it you just open the arm and you see the light. So this is what I've done with this is what I have done before I started the software. And then you place the mat to the left or somewhere else of your computer, so you can have your presentation area on the left, like here, and on your right you'll have the computer, and sometimes you may switch from the document camera on the left to the actual built-in webcam in your laptop. So that's it. Whatever I have shown you can be recorded. So if I click on record at the bottom, select the area which I want to record and start. So now it's recording, as I've shown you before. This is how you can place for the mat and put the camera centrally. There's a designated area. You position the camera on the top center of the mat. That's it. So when you finish recording, you can just click on stop recording at the bottom, and the video is automatically saved on the right top, in the top right corner. Now the video format is ready for editing in Movie Maker, or you can upload it straight to YouTube. So what about scan? If you select the scan option, here we have got, here we can take pictures. Again, we click on the camera icon at the bottom, and it takes a picture which appears in the top right corner. So you click, you open the picture, and then you can, if you have a Picasa account, on top you can click on Picasa and it takes you straight away to the album, or you can share it with somebody, upload it to Dropbox and send the link to this image on Dropbox to your students or participants. So we can also use annotation tools. So if you click on the top right corner, you see the little red back button. Now I can easily click on annotation and use annotation tools such as this. So this is the home button for on iPhone and so on, and you can take pictures which are automatically archived, saved on the right hand side. You can also, if you have many other, well, if there is a need, you can create a PDF straight away. From this image you can export this image in another image format, or you can email it straight away to your students or participants. That's it. You can print, you can use the optical character recognition if we use documents. For example, let's go back to the video mode. So I'm going to lift the arm a bit so we can see the document. So now if you want, you can use one of the options after you take a picture, of course. Let's take this is the video. I'm sorry, so if you go to the scan mode, if you take a picture of this one in the scan mode, then if you open that image from your archive, you can use the optical character recognition, which will save this document as a text. If there is any text which can be read by the software.
How do you access your work email on your phone?
But it's not a very good quality. So let's go back. It's the top red icon, back button, takes you back to the main menu. If you want to get rid of all the annotations you used before, you can just click on the rubbish bin and they disappear. And as I said, the archive, if we go, you will find all the all video recordings and images there. Let's open one of the images and go back to the main menu again. So if you go to the scan option, you can select the crop before you actually take a picture. Which automatically appears in the archive. So that's it, this is the HoverCam. Just please try to remember that the best idea is to connect the document camera first and then start the software. Now there is one more option, as I said, while you're having your presentations. If you want to use your webcam, so you have on the right to the recording button, you have the turn on a second camera, and then you can, well, use it, well, you as a presenter just presenting, and sometimes you just switch to your presentation using the document camera.